Montblanc Explorer, my trial fragrance. Alright guys, yes, I'm doing a fragrance unboxing after like what, 6 months plus. The last time I bought was like what, June 6th or June 8th, I don't really know anymore at this point, or June 4th. Anyways, we bought Montblanc Explorer for 30 ml eau de parfum. Yeah, it's pretty small, but don't worry, I'll buy more bigger fragrances the next time. Yep, I'm finally getting into fragrances after guys, so long, very happy. And this was like 45 ml as well. Boy, what the hell. Let me open this. Come on bro, see? I don't even know how the bottle looks like. I don't know how the design is going to be like, so it's a mystery for me now. And let's open it up. Oh, it's this size, okay. Boy, what the hell, guys? What is this size? I know this size exists, but I was saying, I was speaking at like a different size. Oh wow, what looks slick. The cap looks gorgeous. Wow, it looks kind of cheap, eh? But for $45, I'm very happy for this. Anyways, let's smell in air first. Well, this spray smells pretty good. Now on my hand. Atomizer check. Okay, 5.10 I guess for the atomizer. Alright. This is actually a clone of Creed Aventus, a very expensive fragrance, about like what, $500 or $400. Okay. Okay, it smells very citrus, aquatic, woody, aromatic. That's what I'm getting from it. But the bottle looks such a sleek one. It has like this letter, and the star over here looks gorgeous, and yeah, it's a very nice fragrance. $45 is definitely worth your money. And yeah guys, Montblanc Explore this is definitely my fastest fragrance unboxing ever. My trial fragrance, my next one probably might be one of the spice bombs. We never do. It's very unexpected for what fragrance I'm going to get next. But yeah guys, bye, that's it. Montblanc Explorer